Welcome to your Cyber Tips Explainer, where we make everyday people understand the cyber world around us.
We're looking at a new threat today that makes cybercrime, well, way too simple.
And that question? It's not hypothetical anymore. Meet a new tool called CavalierGPT.
Its real power is its simplicity. It just uses plain English to steal passwords.
To really get it, just think of it this way. It's basically ChatGPT, but for hackers.
You know ChatGPT, right? You give it a simple prompt and it helps you create stuff?
Well, CavalierGPT uses that same AI power, but for something much more sinister, stealing your data. So how does an attack actually happen? It all starts when someone just types a command. Yep, they could literally just type something like, find all passwords. That's it. Then the AI bot takes that simple request and turns it into some really nasty hacking code.
And boom, that code runs all on its own, grabbing logins, passwords, all of it.
And here's the scary part. It makes hacking easy enough for pretty much anyone to do. So what does a future with tools like this actually look like? The implications are huge. We're not just talking about one new threat. This is a whole new era for cybercrime. First, we're talking about credential theft on a massive scale. Think automated, non-stop attacks. It also means the rise of AI-powered ransomware, which is way smarter and harder to fight. And yeah, you're going to see way more attacks coming from people with zero hacking skills. You put all this together, and you get the beginning of something pretty chilling. Honestly, this isn't just another tool. The era of autonomous cybercrime has officially begun. Binge on our playlists on a watch marathon to become a cybersecurity expert. Subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.